Good afternoon, folks. My name is Vince Gorno. I'm the comfort consultant with Jay's HVAC, and we're on site here today in Laurel Fork, Virginia. This is our geothermal loop field heat pump system. We want to show you from start to finish and reveal the mystery on the geothermal renewable energy concept. And you can see how we have, it's a 3/4 inch pipe and it's looped down around. We'll walk down there briefly, and as it comes around, and then we have our header, which let me ask Eddie, he'll ad-lib a little bit to what we have here on the header.
All right, well, the header is a distribution pipe that comes out to these heat exchange lines that are in the ground here and brings the water out to those heat exchanger lines and takes the water back to the machine, the equipment that goes inside your house. So there's an 1.25 inch header line that comes out to these 3/4 inch pipes to distribute. This works like capillaries. It gets a smaller pipe so that the heat can transfer better. And these ditches are about 6 to 7 feet deep with a 4-pipe system. They have 2 pipes in the bottom and 2 pipes at 2 feet above that to make a 4-pipe system of heat.
And again, you can notice that it is 6 feet deep, 3 feet wide. That's all the trenches have to be for the 4 main trenches. And the total footage of your pipe, between 400 and 600 feet of pipe, is per ton load that is required for to meet the demand in your home.
This particular trench has 600 feet of pipe. It's 150 feet long with 4 pipes. It's a 600-foot heat exchange loop. And when we backfill this pipe, we have 2 concerns. We have to keep the rocks away from the pipe, and the second concern is to get a good compaction around the pipe. We have a tamp that goes on the excavator to do that, so that we can tamp it starting at the bottom and tamp it all the way up to get a good compaction around those pipes to get good heat exchange. It's a common mistake that the installers make, not to get the compaction that they need to get that heat exchange so that it'll be what we pay for. So that's how we put the soil back in there. When we get it back, everything will be back flat level here, and everything on this whole site will be at least 4 feet deep, so that we have no issues with digging into it. You can plant trees over it, plant an orchard over it, or mow your lawn over it, or garden, or whatever.
Just don't plant a body in here, because I am actually 6 feet deep. And we're here today in the basement of Josh Puckett's home with our geothermal installation. And you can see a nice clean installation all the way through. And all this duct work was done. There was no duct work in the home when we were called out on this job here. And this is a top-of-the-line Trane XL 2-stage geothermal system right here. And over here we've got our QT flow center. Now this is regulating all the water coming out. Remember, you've got your 85% water, 15% ethanol out there in the horizontal field, and the pipes are traveling right through. We penetrated on that west end of the house right there, and it's tied into the QT flow center, and it's going to regulate the pressure that the air handler needs at the specific time of the season. And we also have our de-superheater, and you can see how this is going here. If it will back up and pan over, it's going over to your water heater. Now, the water heater itself, too, one big benefit of your geothermal system is in the summertime, when it's running for 30 minutes producing your cold air, it's going to give you approximately 30 to 40 gallons of free hot water. And that's what this additional water tank, hot water tank, is here for the homeowner. Okay, folks, that wraps up our first YouTube video on geothermal installation. And we hope that you will send this, share this with your friends and family. And if you have any questions or concern on geothermal installation, be sure to contact us. Our home office number is 336-786-2073, and my direct line is 336-341-9389. And again, not just concerning geothermal, but all your HVAC needs. Be sure to contact Jay's HVAC Unlimited LLC and on 130 Greyhound Lane in Mount Airy, North Carolina. Thank you.